dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The governorship candidates of the All Progressive Congress in the September 21st governorship election in Edo State, Senator Mondo Buholu, has taken a swipe at the candidate of the People Democratic Party, Aswi Hodalo. He says that he never knew Aswi Hodalo until recently because he isolated himself from his people. Moving on after this, we have the governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, said that he has no regret as the state governor in the last 7.5 years, noting that his government has delivered and surpassed all electionary promises made to the people of Edo State. All right, my wonderful people, before I proceed, I'd like to welcome you back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop our video. To all my amazing subscribers, I thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The candidate of the All Progressive Congress in the 21st September governorship election in those states, Senator Mondo Buholu, has taken a swipe at the candidate of the People Democratic Party, Aswi Hodalo, alleging that Aswi Hodalo isolated himself from his people until recently when he indicated interest to contest an election. Mondo Buholu stated this on Monday evening during a chat with the member of the Correspondent Chapel of Edo State Nigeria Union journalist. He said the PDP candidate, whom he referred to as Governor Obaseki's godson, has been relatively unknown in his own community, that he never knew Obaseki's godson, Aswi Hodalo, who claimed to have come from his senatorial district, Edo Central, that he only got to know him when someone drew his attention that a chairman of the bank donated 100,000 to Eastern Security Architecture. So he raised the bar of the donation and even donated vehicles for the local vigilante when he discovered that what was donated was not enough. So he has to tell them that they should find out where these people have been all this while. Mondo Buholu also appealed to organizers of the planned nationwide hunger protest to share it. He noted that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has spent only 1 year in office, so they should give him some time to fix the economy for the overall benefit of all. He stated that any protest in the state could aid the existence of People Democratic Party-led government, noting that Governor Obaseki has not provided any good governance in the past several years. Senator Mondo Buholu also urged the Edo residents to vote for him at the poll. He pledged to prioritize education, healthcare, security, infrastructure in his first 100 days if he emerged victorious. He urged the people of Edo State that they should come out in mass and vote for him. They should leave Aswi Hodalo alone because he has isolated himself from his people all this while. It was recently he discovered that Aswi Hodalo is from his place, but he has been isolating himself all this while. It was recently he knew that Aswi Hodalo indicated interest to contest for the election, and now he wants people to vote for him where he wasn't coming close to the people of FAC. Now the APC candidate is urging the people of Edo State to vote for a homeboy and not a town boy, because Aswi Hodalo is going to do the same thing Governor Obaseki did. My people don't be small matter. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State Governor Obaseki said he has no regrets as the state governor in the last 7.5 years, noting that his governance has delivered and surpassed all electionary promises made to the people of Edo State. Governor Obaseki, who spoke during an interview with journalists in Benin City, said there is no area or sector he pledged and talked about that hasn't impacted. He said his government has laid a solid foundation for the state's progress and development, noting that he would be remembered as the governor of Edo State who changed the course of education in the state and led a number of reforms and programs that have placed the state on the path of prosperity. According to Governor Obaseki, said as a Edo State governor in these last few years, that he don't have any regrets. In fact, when they look at what he has done, if they look at his manifesto, what he said he was going to do, he has surpassed everything that he said he would do. He said he invested everything he said he would do, and there was no area he mentioned he talked about that he didn't have a kind of impact on them. So if una check out, una go see say he is a realistic person. Right now, one administration or one governor cannot do it all. That what he have done is to lay a foundation, and by the grace of God, they will have Asue Hodalo very soon as his successor, who will continue to build on that in the direction that he started with, and someone who is going to share the same value of service to the people of Edo State. Governor Obaseki said, democracy is not a destination in itself, that it is a process. So it will always be better. Things will always be better than when they met them. That on his impact on various sectors of the state economy, he said that yes, he can beat his chest and say he changed the course of education in the states. He have trained more than 500,000 children and he gave them sound, solid basic education. But that is not all they need. So right now, somebody needs to come and build on that. In terms of the healthcare system in his state, Edo State, he said he have changed it totally. He said he moved his primary healthcare center from the local government and joined hands with the local government and just to refresh it. He said he have dealt with the major issues pertaining to health in Nigeria, which is healthcare financing. He said he have to pay out from his pocket. So right now, they have a thriving healthcare insurance system in Edo today that has over 250 policies, but it needs to grow. So right now, they need somebody that can grow that. But he thank God that he had the opportunity to try. And if he were to do it again, that he would do it exactly like he did it before. My people of his matter, so no matter anything where people they talk concerning his administration, that he have no regrets because himself no say in try for Edo State, that he can hit his chest, he can boast about the things he did for Edo people. So many people now they turn blind eye, say you don't see anything, but you don't care. My people don't be small matter. But right now, waiting they tell Edo people be say, may they wash their eye clear, may they vote for somebody where be say Ingo fish starts from where he stop to finish up the things Edo people really need. Not be the one where go come tell them say Ingo do this one for a manifesto, but when he emerge as governor of Edo State, they not go see anything. I mean, don't be small matter. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Really do appreciate it. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe guys. Bye.